So these things, right? What tends to happen, the normal casters, they're very hard plastic, and they catches the rocks. They just get caught up like on literally on about everything, and the bearings become worn. After a while, you really have to maintain them. I really don't. But these, I forgot. I'm sorry, I forget what the name of these things are. But these, these seat roller things, and they're very handy when you're doing your brakes, etc. And you're always kind of scooting yourself over to, to get from point A to point B, while saving your back, right? Especially when you're changing a tire or doing a brake job. But again, the casters sometimes make it very difficult. But when you're ready to upgrade them, use those. But when you're ready to upgrade them, what can you use? Rollerblade wheels. That's a good hack, because rollerblades, everyone uses them all over the place, right? They tend to last very long. Uh, they're the special like kind of rubber, right? So I'm gonna put all four of them on. I'll show you what we do with it. We'll see how it performs. The glide feature, of course, most importantly, because at the end of the day, we're scooting our butts behind in one of these babies. So, and if it works well, fantastic. But I'll let you know the results, and I'll bring you along. And like always, thanks for watching, and I greatly appreciate it. And let's take this journey together. Thanks for watching. I've went ahead and I have already installed one on this side right here that I'm pointing to. But these have locks on them, which is nice also, right? They have locks, so it's pretty good. Like the originals have locks also, but this is much broader, easier to kind of just use, right? But I tell you what, let me just show you what I did on the first one, because I wanted to see what was involved. And okay, let's see. Uh, so you're gonna need an Allen wrench. Right? I think this is like 4.5 or 5 millimeter in my case, but these things come in all different sizes. So let's see, and you might want to hold, so it doesn't spin on you, right? Just just get these out. Okay. Okay, and they pop right out, right? So this is the old one. You might want to keep them together in case you need to use it again in the future. All right. So these immediately, in my case, this is like a 3/8 bolt, like a 3/8 by 16, it looks like. It doesn't fit, but that's an easy fix, right? So what we'll do is I'm just gonna take a step drill bit and just quickly just enlarge the hole. Let's see, all right? And I already know I may have to do the same from the top. Let's see, that's all right. So that's a quick deal right there. Slide it in, and these come with these special nuts, right? That kind of slide in, just like the originals, as a matter of fact. So just maybe get it in there, right? I don't know. It's up to you. You want to use thread lock or not? And I'm not. I'll put it through the test first, right? And just kind of. Oh, I'll tell you what. You want to hammer that in a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. Just kind of maybe hold it there a little bit. Hold on. There we go. You want to hold it for this thing, right? No, it's easier. Just do it by hand from the top, right? Just tighten it and hand tighten it. There it is. Okay. So I'll tell you what. I'm gonna do the other two, the exact same process. All right. and we'll take it for a ride. So this is the rollerblade caster that I'm using, right? Just to give you a closer look. These are really nice. You know, these are the nuts that they use. They kind of embed, right? And you know, you got to hold it, you know, here or whatever. But you get the picture. This is not a how-to on using the tools. It's just to give you a sense of the wheel. All right. So you're kind of sandwiching it right there, you know, and that's it. You tighten it as best you can. Put a little thread seal on it if you like, or not, you know. And you know, I'm curious to give it a spin. Wow. I mean, this is asphalt, right? And it's very rocky. I couldn't I couldn't do this before. Those things would get stuck all over the place. On a nice flat concrete surface, this is gonna work great. All right, guys, it worked out great. What can I say? I'm liking the fix, the hack, I should say. And thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. And I hope these things work out for you as well.